Hi and welcome to Cassidys Craveable Creations. I'm Cassidy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a warm, soft keto mug cookie that's ready in less than 5 minutes. So I just love this recipe because if you're like me and you ever have one of those days where you just have to have some dessert goodness right away, this keto mug cookie is perfect because you get a soft, warm, gooey chocolate chip cookie for one in less than 5 minutes, and you never even have to turn on your oven. So this recipe is really easy. We just started with some melted butter or non-dairy butter in a ramekin, a microwavable safe ramekin, or a coffee mug. And to that, we're going to add the sweetener. I'm using a brown keto sweetener, 1 tablespoon, and then a tablespoon of a white keto sweetener. And while you could use 2 tablespoons of just the white, I really recommend using the half and half. Because it just gives it an authentic cookie taste. Without it, it just seems like it's just missing something. It adds just those caramel undertones that chocolate chip cookies are just known for. So we'll stir in the sweetener. We have 1 large egg yolk, and we have some pure vanilla. And be sure to mix this all together really well before adding the dry ingredients and chocolate chips. Now we're going to add some coconut flour. And the brand of coconut flour, it does matter, and I'll have my recommended brands on my website. And also to see the full recipe with all the specific amounts and ingredients, I'll have a link to it in the description below. And if you're on a mobile device, just click the title of the recipe and the description will pop up. So we have coconut flour and blanched almond flour. Now we'll mix this up really well too. And if for any reason your dough seems a little bit dry or crumbly, feel free to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of non-dairy milk or water. But mine seems fine today. So now I'm just going to add in some keto chocolate chips. And after I stir these in, we're going to cook these in the microwave anywhere from 45 seconds to 1 minute. But start at 45 seconds so you don't overcook it. And it's done when it is nicely brown and it lightly springs back to the touch. So I will just put this in the microwave and then I will meet you back here to try it. This just came out of the microwave and it looks delicious. The top is nicely brown. It springs back to the touch without being too firm, because if it's too firm, it means it's overcooked. And I don't know about you, but I like to eat my cookies with some ice cream. So I'm going to add just a little bit of ice cream here. So delicious. And if you would like to see my keto ice cream recipe, I will have a link to that above my left-hand shoulder and in the description below. So I think I am ready to try this. If you get a chance to try this, please let me know what you think in the comments below. Oh yeah. It tastes like a fresh baked chocolate chip cookie with undertones of caramel and the sweet goodness of chocolate chips with the ice cream. It's just absolutely perfect. And if you'd like to see more keto and paleo recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and then the notification bell below to be alerted each time we post a new video. Thanks for watching.